Hello guys, welcome back again in the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo in Canva. So here I've already opened my Canva, and then if you want to create a logo, probably for your brand or your business, you can just use the template, or you can also create on your own. So I'm going to use the template by Canva. So here at the home page, you can see here the logo option. Just click on here. This is to create your own logo. So this is the what is it called, the size, the default size of logo usually used by in general. Okay, wait for it to open, and then as you can see, this is the templates in Canva that you can use. So it is free, so you can use it on your own, or you can also modify it from the template. For example, I want to use probably this one. No, this one. So as you can see here, this is for a beauty salon. For example, you want to create a logo for your brand or your business. You can change the name, Michael Angelo. Nail art, like that, or hair and beauty, like this. You can also change the background color, like this. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, and if you think you're done with the editing, just click on share and you can save it, download it as PNG, JPG, PDF, or etc. according to your needs. I'm going to use PNG and click on download, and you can use it as your profile picture on Instagram or your marketing needs, or etc. Okay, so that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.